Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to another recipe. Today I'm making chocolate rum balls. Christmas is just around the corner for those of you that celebrate Christmas, or even if you don't, this is a quick and easy, delicious dessert, and you can actually keep this in the freezer and just take it out as you need it as well. So you don't have to eat it all in one go if you don't want to, but they're really quick and easy to make and great to have on hand. So for this recipe, I'm using a food processor, and if you don't have a very powerful food processor, maybe you might need to soak some of these ingredients in some of the liquids and then process it. It'll just make it a little bit easier. But for now, I am going to add 1.5 cups of rolled oats. And then I've got 1 cup of dried apricots. So this is where you could soak these in some of the liquids if you want to make them softer. But I like to put them just in as is and not soak them because I do like those little pieces coming through and that extra bit of texture and flavour that it adds when it hasn't been soaked. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, or you could use raw cacao powder as well. And I've got 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Oh, I love the smell of that coconut. That reminds me of Christmas right there. Then I've got 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, or you could use vanilla extract. I have 2 pitted medjool dates, and just a couple of little pinches of coarse Celtic sea salt. So that salt flavour actually brings out the chocolate flavour and intensifies that. So if you haven't tried that before, definitely give it a try and try to include it in this recipe because it makes it extra delicious. Okay, and then to make it the rum balls, just add your favorite rum, a dash of rum, or if you're serving this for kids, maybe use some rum essence. So yes, unless you want them to go to sleep early, I don't suggest putting rum for the children. So just add maybe, I don't know, a capful. You can always taste the batter and then add more if you want to add more and adjust it to your personal preference. And then just pop on the lid and process this. Okay, and once that is all well mixed, I like to add in, I start with 1/2 cup of plant-based milk. And 1/4 cup of flax seeds. And then give that another blend up. Alright, so our mixture is done. And then, as you can see, you can just shape this into little balls. So just grab your dough mixture, start rolling these out, and you can serve them either as is, as a plain chocolate rum ball, or you can coat it in some coconut, shredded coconut, or even some of the oats if you wanted to put more texture, maybe make the balls a little bit bigger. And like I said, you can store these in the freezer as well and serve them straight from the freezer, and they last for quite a long time. So I hope that you make these. I hope you enjoy them, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. And if you do make these, I would love to see your photos. Maybe post them in Instagram and tag me, or join me in the Facebook group that I have at Cooking with Plants and show me the photos in the group as well. We would all love to see your creations. So enjoy, and I'll see you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Yum.